everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to show you a new addition to our vlogging equipment. You may have already guessed it. This is a drone DJI Neo. It is a beginner friendly drone and has a lot of features. Do not judge it by the size. This device is capable to make any video more aesthetic in matter of minutes. As you have already seen the unboxing of the drone, here is a quick summary. The Fly More combo comes with a drone, 3 batteries, a charging hub, a remote controller, the guidebook, 2 extra propellers, a mini screwdriver and essential Type-C and A cords. Along with the drone, we have also purchased this nice case from Amazon at INR 2289. This is very handy and protects the drone and other appliances while traveling. The drone came in 40,000 Indian rupees. Here is how you can charge the batteries and the remote controller. You can fly this masterpiece using mobile app, remote controller, gimbal, and even there are few one-click functionalities embedded in the drone itself. The different one-click functionalities are follow, droney, circle, rocket, and spotlight. Along with these, there is a custom option which you can set from the DJI app itself. Let's see how it flies and captures video in different modes. The drone, being only 135 gram, is susceptible to strong wind, and a word of caution that there is no obstacle avoidance feature. So you have to be little careful while flying. Otherwise, it has a very sturdy design. The drone has a sensor underneath to track the surface before landing. This is how you can connect the RC to the drone, and with remote controller you can fly it further. This video is with 1080 pixel and 30 fps setting. At this price point, this is beautiful. Now let's try the droney mode. Here is the circle mode. And here is the rocket mode. We have tested it in very strong crosswind. However, the result was not that unstable. The cutest of all of them is this follow mode. See how nicely it is tracking me? You can customize all of these modes like height, distance from the DJI app. DJI Neo can be a perfect companion for solo vlogging, and till now I loved every single aspect of it. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and encourage so that I can come up with more such contents. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.